is, she's got a secret here she's going to share with us tonight. And her name is Rebecca Wofford, but she goes by Becky Waffle. Becky Waffle. That's what happens at CBU when you say Becky Waffle. All right. You ready?
I reckon I'm as ready as I'll ever be.
All right, let's give her a hand. Becky Waffle.
Hello, everybody. My name is Becky Wofford. I am a freshman mechanical engineering student with a minor in sustainability studies, and I'm going to talk to you today about the dangers of dihydrogen monoxide. Dihydrogen monoxide is not very well known, but it's a simple compound, but it's got a complex, it's just got a bunch of risks associated with it. It's a very dangerous compound. I mean, it looks simple enough, but I guarantee you, it's not. It's colorless, odorless, tasteless, and if you combine it with certain other elements, it can be highly explosive. This is not very good. I mean, I would say so. But dihydrogen monoxide comes in all the forms. It can be found in a solid form. And in the solid form, it's very dangerous, especially on the roads. It's found naturally everywhere, primarily in colder climates, but it can be found in small amounts everywhere. In the liquid state, it is found on every continent, and it's found in the oceans. And it can do horrible things. It damages electronics. It's fatal if you inhale it. So be very careful if you do run into any liquid dihydrogen monoxide. And in the gaseous state, it can cause severe third-degree burns. It's found in the gaseous state. It can be found naturally, but it's primarily just something that people do themselves. So be very careful. Here are some of the effects of dihydrogen monoxide. Dihydrogen monoxide is a major component of acid rain, and you can see from this image that acid rain is not a good thing. It does not do nice stuff to the environment. So this is not a nice compound. In the liquid state, it can cause electrical failures, and I know that a lot of you guys have probably had some of your electronics damaged by dihydrogen monoxide. And it's also been found in the tumors of cancer patients, which is very not good. It contributes to the erosion of land and to the corrosion of metals. As you can see from this image, land corrosion is not something that's fun. People's houses are literally on the line, and it's all because of dihydrogen monoxide. And dihydrogen monoxide does horrible stuff to vehicles. It decreases the effectiveness of the automobile's brakes, and it can cause wrecks in any of the three forms that you find it in, but primarily the liquid and solid forms. So this is a quotation that was on a material safety data sheet, just talking about the dangers of dihydrogen monoxide. And it says that the inhalation can cause serious discomfort, possible tissue damage, and is often fatal. But so what? Why should you guys care about dihydrogen monoxide? Well, it affects you way more than you would think. Dihydrogen monoxide is in almost everything you do. I guarantee you that everybody in this room has come into contact with it at least once today. So it's used as an industrial solvent and coolant, which means that it is used in every factory in America, and not just in America, but every factory in the world uses dihydrogen monoxide on a daily basis. It's used in nuclear power plants, which, as you can see, affect the environment. It's used in animal research, and a lot of times it's used in cruel animal research. It's also used as an additive in junk foods and all sorts of other food products. Most every food product in the store that you will find is going to have some kind of dihydrogen monoxide in contact with it. It's used as a fire retardant, and it's used in the production of styrofoam, which I've got a styrofoam cup with me right now. It scares me, but I do. I bet that most of you guys have come into contact with styrofoam today. So, here's some more facts just about dihydrogen monoxide. Close to 4,000 people in the United States die annually from dihydrogen monoxide inhalation. This is not a joking matter. It's a very serious concern. And almost 300,000 burn injuries occur because of the gaseous and sometimes even the liquid dihydrogen monoxide. And something that's very scary about this is that there are the government is not trying to do anything to regulate this. So, one of the worst things about dihydrogen monoxide, I can guarantee you that there is dihydrogen monoxide in your houses at this very minute. So I would like to propose, or here's some websites. If you don't take my word for it, you can do your own research. I highly recommend the website DHMO.org, and it's got all sorts of cool little facts about dihydrogen monoxide, and it can tell you what you can do to band together to work on this. And I do have a petition to sign with me today, if anybody would like to join with me to ban dihydrogen monoxide. I mean, we gotta do something.